Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna to talk about the Internet of Things. My name is Li Guan. And first, you can see on this web page I have using the banner. This banner is made from the Pixar. Mm, at first, you need to put the image on that, and then add some text. And this logo is also, this banner is also combined with my logo. And the next thing I made is this GIF. I used the easygif.com to make it, and this has three layers. The first one is the image of the Internet of Things, and the image of me and my logo. And then I want to show you a video about the Internet of Things. That's my understanding and through this project and what I have learned. Working on physical vehicles, buildings, and other items to embed with electronics software, signals, and network connectivity that enable these objects to collect and exchange data. Let me give you a simple example about the Internet of Things. As you can see, that's just the key. And if we use the app, the other example for Internet of Things is a Bluetooth speaker. We can see this one's for you and me, living out our dream. I made this introduction video by using iPhone YouTube editors and published it on YouTube. In this slide, I'm going to talk about the purpose of the Internet of Things. And the problem was solved by the Internet of Things. In this image is talk about the Apple TV that was used in lots of colleges because the Internet of Things is improving basic efficiency of our lives. If we use the Apple TV, we can save a lot of cables, and we can use our computers to connect to the screen and to show our PowerPoints in the speeches and the lectures. This image is showing the service. The service is the most important part of the Internet of Things because that's basics Internet. You need to save a lot of data on the service. The benefit of the Internet of Things is it incorporates into our lives, which can help individuals, business, and our society on a daily basis. For individual, the most important the Internet of Things in our life is the ADT. The ADT is a very famous home security system that allows us to use our phones to control the security system at home and give our ability to control it. It connects with the internet to when someone intrude in our home, the security system will send the alert through the internet to the police office to ask help. The Internet of Things has also been used in our society, like smart cities. we can use that to manage traffic, especially during traffic jams, peak hours, accidents, and the rains that help us a lot. And in this chart, it shows the Internet of Things business value is increasing more and more because that's still new stuff to public like me. I have never touched about the Internet of Things before this final project. On this page, I explained the technical aspects of the Internet of Things. This picture over here shows how a user interacts with the Internet of Things. As the user, at first we need to send the command to the Internet, and then the Internet sends the data to the service to analyze the data, and the service sends the data analyzed back to the Internet, and then the Internet sends those statistics to gateway, and the gateway send those data to the Internet of Things devices, and after that the devices send their behaviors to the gateway, and the gateway send that to Internet network, and the Internet send that to service. After analyze, send the review to the users. And there are three kind of interactions. The first one is make our life simply. That can give the user more time to spend to something more important. And the next one is make the user can control those IoT devices wherever you are. And the last one is shape behavior connected devices can analyze our body health and to make our life healthier. And then next, I will talk about the big ideas. One big idea is using by the Internet of Things, that is machine learning. Machine learning gives computers ability to learn without being programmed, that they can create the algorithms that can learn from by the data. There are two major types of machine learning. One is supervised learning. The other one is unsupervised learning. The supervised learning refers to the users gave the IoT devices labor to let them those devices collect the data and analyze those data under the label to get the result. And on the unsupervised learning, it does not provide the system with the labels to analyze. Instead, it presents all the data to analyze, which lets the system to identify which are not so obvious. In this section, we will be discussing the Internet of Things relationship to data. The Internet of Things is combined by with users, devices, and the Internet.